What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have the best sounding exhaust in my opinion for the cheapest price for the 2020 and all of the Gen 2 Ford Raptors. This exhaust setup is a straight pipe with just an X pipe, and in my opinion it sounds fantastic. Here, we'll get a nice little cold start for you. As you can see, if you want something loud but not raspy, I would say this is one of the best choices. It doesn't really drone and it doesn't have any rasp, which I think is awesome. It's the biggest issue with the V6s, but it's still loud. And then now, as you can see, once the truck is warmed up and it's idled down, it's just got a nice funky idle. It's not bad for a V6. I think it sounds pretty good. But now we'll get some in-cabin results, and then we'll go for a nice ride. So as you can see, when you're just kind of cruising at lower speeds, it sounds just fine with the windows up. You can't even notice. You lean into it, you can hear it a little bit, but it's nothing crazy. You still hear the turbo noise and everything. And then with the windows down, it's definitely a little louder, but it's not